This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Disconnect the cable from the negative battery terminal first. Then disconnect the cable from the positive battery terminal. Remove the battery hold-down clamp. Battery straps and handlers are a safe method for removing a battery, if the battery is not already equipped with a handle. Here we are using shop rags. This requires extra caution so that the battery does not slip. Make sure you have a firm grip on the battery for whatever method you choose. Lift out the battery. Be careful, it's heavy. Install and fit the new battery into the battery tray, making sure that prior to installation it has the proper rating and specifications for your vehicle. Install the hold-down clamp and its bolt, then tighten it securely. Before connecting the cables to the new battery, clean them with a battery terminal brush and be sure to catch and dispose of any corrosion or metallic dust. When installing the cables on the new battery, always make sure to connect the positive cable first. Then the negative cable last.